Hello everyone, how's everything? I hope you are doing well. Today in this video I'm going to teach you how to find the trigonometric values at your fingertips without saving any values of the trigonometric values. Okay, let's start with this video. Attention with me until the end of the video so that you will know how to get it with easy way. The first thing here, I'm going to drawing two hands here. Here first we are going to find the sign for the famous angles, as we know, for the 30, for 0, 30, 45, 60, and 90 degrees. And also for the other side, other hands, we are going to find the cosine also for the famous angles, as 0, 30, 40, 60, and 90 degrees. What I'm going to do is the first thing I'm going to count these hands. I will put here 0, and I put here 1, and here 2, and here 3, and here 0, 1, 2, 0, 1, 1, 2, 3, and here 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, this is the first thing. I'm going to count the hands, so 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, and I'm going to put here the angles. Here it will be here 0, and here 30, and here 45, and here 60 degree, and here 90 degree. We need to find the sine 0, sine 30, sine 45, sine 60, sine 90 degrees. What I'm going to do is the first thing here, the sine 0, sine 30, sine here 45, then sine 60, okay, and after that sine 90 degree. Okay, what I'm going to do here, we are going to put here the first thing here, fraction, all 2. On the denominator it will be all 2. Here also it will be here 2, and here also it will be 2. After that, what you are going to do, sine 0, we are going to here 0, so that you will go under the root, and use this one, it will be what, if you are going to simplify, it will be 0, so that sine 0 it will be 0. For 30 here, put here the square root of 1, it will be 1 over 2, and here for the 2 here, for 45, it will be here the root of 20, the root of 2 over 2, and here 60 here 3, so that will be here square root of 3, and the last one here 90, it will be here square root of 4, square root of 4, it will be here 2, and the 2 divided by 2, it will be here 1. So that we know already sine 0 it will be 0, sine 30 it will be 1 over 2, sine 45 it will be the root of 2 over 2, and sine 60 it will be here root of 3 over 2, and the last one sine 90 it will be what? It will be 1. Let's go to for the cosine, same, but it will be the opposite. Here we'll start here 0, and here 30, here 45, and here it will be here 60, and here it will be 90 degrees. Okay, here it will be here 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. We are going to find first thing cosine 90, cosine 60, then cosine 45, cosine 30, cosine 30, last one cosine 0. What you are going to do, the first thing you are going to do here, fraction at all, then put in the denominator here 2, 2, 2, 2, 2. Okay, that's good. Go to for the 90, for 90 here, you count here 0, and you put here root for all, roots. Here for the 490 here 0, put here 0, so that it will be cosine 90, it will be here 0. Cosine 60 here to the 60, it will be here 1, that will here 1, so be here 2, it will be 1, it will be here 1 over 2. Here cosine 45, put here the 45 here 2. Okay, it will be here the root of 2 over 2. For the 30 here 3, so that will put here 3, it will be here. And the last one for 0 here 0, it will be here for the 0 here 4, so that the root of 4 over 2 and 2 over 2 equals 1. If you can notice something there, the sign 30 and cosine 60. Okay, look here, the sine 30 equals what? The sine 30 here, sine 30 what? Sine 31 over 2. Okay, and cosine 30, what it would be here? Cosine 30 here, cosine 30 here, it will be what? It will be here square root of 3 over 2. Look here, cosine 60, it will be 1 out of 2. Okay, here the sine and the cosine, it will be here for the 30 and 60, it will be same. The sine here 1 over 2, but cosine 60 it will be 1 out of 2. And also for here cosine 30 already, and here sine 60. Okay, this one is very important for you. And also here, if you are going for here sine 30, here cosine, if you are going for sine 60, what it will be here? Sine 60 here, it will be here. Okay, sine 60 it will be here. So that the sine and the cosine for the 30, it will be opposite each other. And they read also to remind you, tan theta equals sine theta cosine theta. Okay, and secant theta equals 1 over cosine theta, and cotan theta equals cosine theta over sine theta. Okay, and also cosecant theta equals 1 over sine theta. That it's a good way to remind you always, to saving the famous angles in your mind and never forget. If you like this video, don't forget to subscribe and share, and thank you for watching. Have a nice day.